How to send self-destructing photo in Telegram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send self-destructing photo in Telegram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Telegram app, please visit your app store over here or your Play Store if you have an Android, and just search for Telegram and check if your Telegram is up to date. As you can see, it says open right here. That means that my Telegram app is currently updated. So if it says update, just tap on the update button so that you'll be updating your app to the latest version. So let's just open up Telegram over here and make sure that you are in a particular conversation, or if you're currently at the chats page, just tap on the particular conversation you want to send a self-destructing photo to. And on here, just click on this clip icon at the bottom left corner, and you can click on open camera over here and just take a photo like that. So to send this as a self-destructing photo, just press and hold on this send button right here that is in a blue icon with the arrow up. Just press and hold and click on send with timer. Click on that. And this is the duration of the photo on when it is going to be self-destructing the photo. So for example, I'm just going to set it in 1 second, or you can also set it up to 1 minute. So for example, if you set it at 10 seconds, after 10 seconds of that particular friend on Telegram, after they have seen it for 10 seconds, the photo will immediately self-destruct or remove the photo from the chats. So I'm just going to set it at 1 second and click on send with timer. So for example, if that person clicks on to view the photo after 1 second, it will immediately be self-destructing within the chat and be removed from the chat. So that is how you can basically send self-destructing photo in Telegram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.